Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am back with the second poem, Awareness by Sylvia Stults. Broken bottles and charred pieces of glass, wadded up newspapers tossed on the grass, pouring of concrete and tearing out trees. This is the environment that surrounds me. So here the people, after using the bottles, what do? They'll throw here and there. And the charred pieces of glass, that means half burnt. Charred means half burnt pieces of glass. Wadded up newspapers, that means the newspapers which is compressed and tossed on the grass. Tossing means randomly throwing here and there. That means it was on the grass. Pouring of concrete and tearing out trees. People cut down the trees to construct the roads as well as the buildings. So poetess is questioning us, is this the environment which is surrounding me? That means we people, we the human beings. Poisons and insecticides sprayed on our food. Oceans filling with thick oil crude. All sea life destined to a slow, awful doom. These are the things we are to consume. See, when the farmers grow the food crops, what the farmers will do to kill the insects, they will spray the insecticides. That will be poisons. Poisonous insecticides will be sprayed on a food. That means once when it comes to the market, we are people, what we will do, we will buy those and we will consume those in our daily life. Oceans filling with thick oil crude. Crude oil means that which is not refined. So oceans that is filling with the thick oil crude, which is very harmful to the sea life, that is the aquatic animals, which are slow, awful doom. That means which it gets slowly destructed. These are the things we are to consume. And again the poetess is questioning us. So are these the things which we are to consume? Mills pumping out iron, expelling yellow fumes, airlines emitting caustic gases from fuels, weapons of destruction tested at desolate sites. And this is the air that's to sustain life. So mills, the factories which pumps out iron expelling yellow fumes. So it expels the yellow fumes which gets mixed with the atmosphere and it mixes with the oxygen which we breathe. Airlines emitting caustic gases from fuels. So airlines, the planes which emits caustic gases, the poisonous gases will be emitted by the airlines. Weapons of destruction, the harmful weapons which is tested at desolate sites, that means the empty sites, and which gets all these poisonous air gases will mix up with the oxygen, and that is the air which we are going to breathe to support our life. So again the poetess is questioning us, is this the air which will support our life to survive? There has to be something that someone can do, like raise the awareness to those around you, that if we don't heed the problem at hand, it's your life that's at stake, the destruction of man. So here the poetess is telling us that someone has to take some initiative, that to help ourselves, that means to raise the awareness, those who stay around us. So if we don't take care, that means if we don't take this problem seriously, then it is the destruction of man. See, it's your life that's at stake. That means it's our life which will be at stake. That means which will be at risk. And it is the destruction of man or the human life. So hope you all have understood the poem. Thanks for watching.